what's new in this update for the latest Canva enhancement is that you have these options. As you would see, you can now get this gradient colors that you can access right now. So if I click on any of this, as you would see here, I can easily use any text gradient, or if we go to this section, you can easily use any default gradient colors. If you also want, you can easily edit this to your heart's content. For example, if I want, I can easily click on see all, and you would see there's a lot of them that you can easily use here. Yeah, and so most of them are available at your fingertips. Let's try to check a much more attractive color like this one. And then right now, you can easily add, or if you want to customize this, let's click on the add new color on the left side. Let's click on that. And what you can do is that, let's click on again this one. And you can now specify what types of colors you want to put in your gradient. For example,